Hello class, this is Dr. Randy Butler. I've had a lot of questions about the assignment 1-2 and I'd like to take a quick walkthrough on what's expected out of the assignment and how you should address it. Specifically, we go to Module 1, let's see, on the course assignment, and look at the assignment. Let's go down here just basically and look at the Module 1, the rubric. That's the best place to find out how you do these assignments. I really want to point out something that many students overlook in this particular assignment and causes a lot of missed points because they didn't look at the requirements of the assignment. Specifically, look here, the following critical elements must be addressed. Describe the authority and its importance for the project managers in the context of the organizational structures. The same thing for autonomy, conflict management. That is how the rubric is set up. In other words, I'm going to look that you have described authority specifically in the context of the organizational structures. Now, what do we mean by organizational structure? It's pretty easy to find authority, autonomy, and conflict management when you're looking specifically at those terms. But to be able to bring that around and to describe it, you need to go to the section 1.09 organizational structures in MindEdge. Here it defines the three organizational structures that you need to be able to relate that to. Number one is the projectized organizational structure. Number two is the functional. And number three is the matrix. So review those. Now, how you make that alignment specifically is up to you. You can do anything from a PowerPoint where you're just drawing boxes, putting in authority and defining authority, and then drawing arrows to another box that has the organizational structure and show how that aligns specifically. In other words, what characteristics in authority align with the organizational structure, projectized organization. Use anything you want to. You can use a Word document and just draw boxes. I don't care, as long as the alignment. I'm not judging you on the graphical or scoring you on the graphical, how creative you are. I'm scoring on how you relate the organizational structures to the three skill sets of autonomy, authority, and conflict management. So please remember that if you can do that, you've got a perfect grade there. One other thing before I jump off and in this video, I don't want to make it very long, but I do want to go to the discussion question. This is where many students overlook the second part of the discussion question. First is discuss the process used at your organization or from your academic experience in the selection of project managers, team members, and key stakeholders. Remember, you have to go all three of them: project managers, team members, and key stakeholders. Just don't talk about project managers or project management. Discuss these three right here. Number two is, in responding to your peers, compare and contrast your selection processes and critique how the existing process identified by your peers may be improved. So remember, compare and contrast right here, your selection process with your peers. If you do that, you're fine. That's pretty much it. If you have questions, I'll be monitoring the discussion board general questions throughout the weekend, and you can post the question. If I come across some things that, some graphics from other classes, I'll try to put those up as examples. But just like I said, don't worry about the graphic part of it so much as just draw boxes or circles or triangles or whatever you want to do or you can be very creative. Just do something that will be able to create that relationship between the skill set, autonomy, authority, and conflict management with the three organizational structures. I believe those were the projectized, the functional, and the matrix. So those are pretty much this is what's thrown off here, because they show these three skill sets, but they don't show these organizational concepts or structures. And that's confusing to a lot of students. So I hope this helps, and I will put this up and email it out to you just in a few minutes. It'll be in a YouTube video. Thank you.